Okay, for today's video, we are here at Dubai Run 2025. This is our 5th time to participate in this event. So thank you sa lahat po nag-participate sa Dubai Run. Okay, see you all again next year. Peace show.
And the streets as we get this underway at around 6:30 this morning. Again, 10Ks and 5K underway shortly. It is all brought to you by My Dubai. You guys are looking great.
This is just not loud enough, is it? Dubai.
Shoutout sa mga taga-Arama. Sa mga pamilya ko sa Pilipinas, shoutout po sa inyo dyan. Ano sa Dubai Run?
What up, guys? Well done, everybody. Dubai, make some noise! Wow! Absolutely iconic, amazing. You look spectacular here. We are record breaking this morning for the world's largest fun run. Thank you to all our organisers. Thank you to everybody involved. You all look amazing.
Thanks so much for coming out again. You were part of the Dubai Walk last week as well. And you have our inflatable costumes. I think we just saw a bunny somewhere. There's a bunny and a dinosaur, I think, over there.
U-turn. Okay, U-turn. 5 kilometers to go. Congested sa metro. Yare.
You made it! Congratulations, you've completed 10 kilometers!
Yes, 10 kilometers!
Cool down like a champion, you see on this time. Cool down, but keep moving. Hydrate yourself.
10 kilometers!
You can also grab a bite. Get your coffee. At 4 stations, at 4 places
10
in the
kilometer.
LRT. Yoga.
Nice.
Everything is yoga.
10 km. Sarap. I'm so proud of yourself. Nadali mo ang 10 km. Ngayon lang. Finally. Ay nako. Thank you Lord. Thank you po Lord. Thank you po Lord at hindi na injury. Salamat po. Salamat po. Okay. Bye. Alright.